welcome back to Anomalous Coffee and Cherry doing Cup of Famine, which is a word I don't typically hear often. I kind of forgot what famine means, but, well, it's dry, empty, like swallowing dust and ash, leaving my mouth parched and hollow. My stomach twists with a hunger that gnaws at the edges of my soul, an ache that will never be filled. I thought I'd feel cleansed, but all I feel is endless, gnawing emptiness, a void that devours. That's a very gothic-like saying. Holy shit. Okay. I don't know whether I should censor this or not. I generally don't know. But, that is called a soul ballad. Okay. I think just play it safe, I'll censor this one. But, okay then, yeah, that's a couple of family enjoys the episode. Please say to your friends video. Bye-bye.